of human birth, integral development, social justice, universal considered resources, financial opportunity.
Hey Playboy, it's about time, and your time is up. I had to do this one for my girls, you know. Sometimes you gotta act like you don't care. That's the only way boys learn. But your phone's always off. Nothing's gonna change about you. You know why that I'm hurting. It's not always that I could forgive. All the other girls that you call friends don't think of me the same way as them. I won't let it fly. From now on, do what you want. I'm just gonna stop caring. But sometimes I really loved you. Sometimes I get up from bed to answer your call. The clock says 5:30, you are drunk. Again you ask for some other girl's name. No, no, I don't care. Stop caring about where you've gone and what you're doing behind me. From now on, I just want